Hello everybody, it's Mr. Ruggles and welcome to Web Design. Glad you made it. This is the lesson for the week of February 13th through the 17th. So the agenda for this lesson, of course, welcome everybody. Glad you made it and glad you are watching this. We're going to go over a course calendar review. We're going to recap the Unit 2 due dates for the assignments and the test and when the lessons should be completed. We'll wrap up with some reminders and then provide the rest of this lesson with a workshop time for you to have time to complete your Unit 2 work, whether that's lessons, the assignment, or the test. So today's objective basically is to wrap up Unit 2, to make sure you have the tools that you need to know in order to be successful in completing Unit 2. All right, so here's the course calendar. You'll notice that we are in the week of the 13th through the 17th of February. If you go to your course plan, you'll notice on February 13th, you were instructed to start your Unit 2.4 assignment. We will talk more about the assignment and how to complete that in just a minute. Today, of course, is our live class and workshop time, giving you time to work on that assignment or the lessons or the test, depending on where you are at. You'll notice if you click and hover over the 15th that the 2.4 assignment is due. That is tomorrow from this recording from our Tuesday lessons. The Unit 2.4 assignment is due on February 15th. On February 16th, you'll have time to review for the test, the 2.7 test. You should go to the 2.7 section of our course lessons, use the Unit 2 review, and then on the 17th, our Unit 2.7 is due. What to do for Unit 2, what to do to be successful. Very simple. Complete the Unit 2 lessons. That's 2.1 to 2.3. Those should have been completed by February 10th. That was last Friday. If you're not done with those, they're short lessons. You can still knock those out. Don't get too far behind. Go ahead and knock those out and get those done. Those will help you prepare for the unit test. So besides the Unit 2 lessons, you should also complete the assignment 2.4. That's due by February 15th. And then you should also complete the test 2.7. That's due by Friday, February 17th. 3 things to do: the lessons, the assignment, the test. All right, so we covered how to complete the assignment 2.4 on February 7th during our live classes. If you missed last week's live class, be sure to watch the recording so you know how to complete the assignment 2.4. I had some very specific instructions and you need to follow the instructions. So be sure to access that lesson if you have not watched it or didn't watch it with us live. You can access that recording from your Class Connect calendar if you just go back to February 7th and click Watch Recording. Or you can go to our class announcements and go to the announcement for the week of February 6th through the 10th, and I have the recording in there as well. I try to do that every single week, so the recording for each week is in the announcement for each week. All right, completing test 2.7, the information you need to know to do well in your 2.7 test is in your Unit 2 lessons. Make sure before you complete the test that you use the unit review, Unit 2 and 2.7. So before you take the test, make sure you do the unit review. Remember, reading your lessons is your job. That's the lessons. The online lessons are there for you to complete those. I won't recap those during our live lessons. We do more important things, or other important things, I should say. Okay. Remember, you have 3 attempts to take each test. If you don't like the score the first time you try it, study some more, review the lessons again, and then retake it. So you have up to 3 tries to 3 attempts to complete each test. If you don't like your score, you can retry and retry again. If for some reason you score lower the second or third time that you take the test, don't worry about it. Only the highest score will count for you. So if you scored lower the second time, the score for your first attempt will still be in your grade book. So you can't do worse. You can only do better, so give it a try. Okay, wrapping up Unit 2, what you need to be doing and what you need to have completed by the specific dates. So complete the Unit 2.1 through 2.3 lessons. That should have been done by Friday, February 10th. You should have started working on assignment 2.4 on Monday, February 13th. You have more time on February 14th, which is today during this workshop time. It should be completed by tomorrow, February 15th. So assignment 2.4 is due on February 15th. Complete the 2.7 test by February 17th. That's Friday. Next week, I will be introducing the Unit 3 materials and what we're going to be doing for Unit 3, getting ready to and making progress to build our website. All right, have a great day. Use the rest of this time to work on your Unit 2 work, whether it's lessons, assignments, or tests. You may log out of class to do your work. If you have any questions, make sure you send me an email, and we will see you next Tuesday. Have a great day and have a great week, everybody.